Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just back here, San Angelo State Park, north side. This is the dino track area, and it's like full of water. I've never seen that before. I thought it looked pretty cool out here today, so I thought I'd show y'all. Brought the camera, didn't really have any plans other than to hang out over here. This is a great place. Like, this is where you come through over here, but I skipped. Even with the water here, I was still able to skip from down there. This whole area, I imagine, like, it'd just be great to have lunch. There's actually picnic tables and water over there, and you can't really see the tracks so much today. They would be like right here. They're full of soot, dirt and stuff, water, and you could kind of see where some are, but there's actually like some animals have come through here recently, so that's kind of confusing. Those are all tracks. I think they said they found like 36 different types of tracks. They're not sure what animals they are. See, they carry on down there. Usually you could see a lot more than this, obviously. Anyway, they don't know what they are, but they know that they're about 300 million years old, I think. The sign's up here. And I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think it'd be pretty cool to come down here, have lunch, and just kind of think about them having lunch here as well. Now I'm walking out from the dino tracks. Usually you would come this way down. I actually came the other way. That's for a place to string up your horse. There's a little cutout right here I noticed recently, the bench. I'm not sure what that's about. Who needs that extra privacy? Got a bench here. This is obviously a perfect place for like a school field trip. Here's the sign. 26 different trackways, and yeah, 300 million years old. Those are some guesses on what they might look like. They both look pretty happy. That's like a little evil happy, kind of like a salad fingers, kind of like a Beetlejuice happy. And then that guy, that's like a Gremlins 2 happy with this thing. I don't know. Hey, man, I got a volunteer here so I can come mow this stuff. Here's the water. Ooh, last time I was here, a rabbit ran out. Like, it was waiting. It waits here for the water to pool so that it has something to drink. Right, so I'm gonna let some pool, actually. Man, kind of like bathing. Set us up a little shower here. Here's a trough for horses. That's the trail I should have come in on, but I skipped. Another place to hang your horses up. And here is the most freaking industrial picnic table in existence. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a little break, fill my water up, head out of here. Thanks for watching.